Let's make a fabulous dress. So this is just me starting on the dress, and I basically sewed most of the dress as you saw the piece on the ironing board. So now I'm just sewing the sides of the dress and just pinning it first so everything could be aligned, because at the top it's gathered a little bit, so I need to pin it through and through from the end to the other end so it can be absolutely fabulous. So now that I finished pinning it, just sewing it together. I am so obsessed with this dress. It came out absolutely beautiful. Just gorgeous. This color is so vibrant, and I just like loud, rich colors. Okay, so I sewed the zipper in the back already, and now I'm just adjusting the length. I'm taking out the teeth part so I can add that stopper right there. Take it out, put it back in, close it up good, and take out the rest of the teeth to cut it down. And this is how you shorten the zipper. Yeah, so happy I learned how to do this, because yeah, it's just amazing that you can shorten your own zippers. Am I getting it? Yeah. Mm-hmm. You get too heavy. Okay. So as you can see, I finished shortening the zipper and putting stoppers so the zip won't come off. And now I'm just sewing everything down to just give it that neat, nice touch. As you can see, it is absolutely perfect. So So just sew on the other side. And that's just the facing sewn to the dress itself. And then I just need to flip it in and out. And about to sew it down. See? Perfect. So I'm just sewing a top stitch so the fabric won't get stuck every time you zip the dress up and down. Perfect, so this is how it looks, and always cut your strings. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so now I just need to overlap the seams that I just sewn together, the side seams. You know, sewing neat projects, overlocking and making sure you don't have any raggedy edges is absolutely perfect. Always cut strings and overlock your pieces so your piece can be neat and look like a store-bought. Okay, so I love pressing seams as well. Always press your seams. So you should press your seams throughout the whole process of making a garment so it can be extra neat. It just helps everything lay down neatly when you press each seam as you sew. Yes, let's hem the bottom. So now I'm just hemming the bottom, just closing it off. So excited for like, oh my gosh, I just finished this dress. OMG. This fabulous, fabulous, fabulous dress. And here's the finished product.
Hey, Dan, I mean, bonjour.
Oh, you mean au revoir. Goodbye, Humphrey, we're leaving.
Is that Blair? Where are you guys going?
Paris.
Dans mon esprit tout divague, je me perds.